Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add emojis to photos on your iPhone using built-in Photos app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first just open up Photos app, then go into some album, and now first you have to do is open up some photo where you want to add emoji. Let it be that one. Now hit right there at edit to bring up edit mode, then right here at the top right hand corner hit at that markup icon. It says that markup turns off live photo. I'll just hit at OK, and now all you have to do is hit right here at plus sign and select text. It brings that text to your photo, and now all you have to do is double tap on that text to select it, and now you can use your emoji keyboard. Just hit at that emoji, and now you can select any emoji among all these big amount of images. I'll just select that one, and then I can just tap somewhere out of the text field. Now if you want to increase the size of the emoji, you can tap on it once, then hit right there at that icon, and now you can simply drag this slider right or left to increase or decrease emoji size. I can make it at maximum size, and now I can move it around and place it wherever I want on that image. Once I finished with that, I can hit at done and then hit on done again to apply the changes. If for some reason you change your mind and you want to remove the emoji from your image, you can hit right here at edit button, and then at bottom right corner hit on revert to restore original image as it was before. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone and the photo tutorials playlists, where you will find a lot of useful videos. You can easily find them in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.